Alright, we got another test ride. This is the Benelli TNT 600i. And we got an inline 4 sport naked bike in front of us. And big shout out sa Benelli Caloocan and Mukim Helmets Caloocan for this barbecue party, Hawaiian and barbecue party with free test ride. And we took advantage of the opportunity para masakayan itong mga motor na hindi natin usually na sasakyan. Alright, and there's our intro, Benelli with the lion. Alright, I guess this is some sort of a TFT display here. Who's boss? Hey, premium gears! Medyo mataas siya. You gotta be careful.
Okay, so bago ulit tayo sumabak sa road test, ito muna ang mga basic specs ni Benelli TNT 600i. It is equipped with the liquid-cooled 600cc inline 4 engine, 4-stroke, 16 valves, double overhead cam, EFI, 6-speed transmission. Ito ay may maximum power na 80 HP at 11,500 RPM at may maximum torque na 54.6 Nm at 10,500 RPM. Front tire niya ay 120/70/17 habang 180/55/70 naman sa likod. Meron itong upside down fork sa front suspension at monoshock naman sa rear. Naka-dual disc sa harap na 320mm with 4 piston calipers habang 260mm single disc naman sa likod na may single piston caliper and equipped with dual channel ABS na rin. Seat height niya ay 800mm, may bigat na 223 kg at may tank capacity na 15 liters. Okay, road test na tayo.
This is sport naked inline 4. Uy, ang ganda ng tunog. Bomba! Grabe. Kahit naka-stock exhaust tayo dito, ang lakas. Ang aggressive ng riding position natin dito. Uy! Ay, madali lang kunin yung neutral. Ayos. Grabe, nagwawala yung Primera. Pero watch out for it. Sobrang responsive ng throttle niya. Very evident. Siyempre, naka 4-cylinder tayo dito. 600cc. So, dapat dito aggressive din yung riding position natin. Baka kung saan tayo itapon ng motor. Grabe naman to. Grabe yung power na binibigay niya, no? Pasabog eh. Kaya TNT. May bumabomba sa likod natin. Oh, ang ganda na engine brake. Grabe. Ang lakas ng Primera niya. Okay, naka second gear na tayo ngayon. Braking. Okay. Ayos ang prero natin. Grabe, ang ganda ng tunog niya. Kahit naka-stock exhaust. Oh, that's inline 4. What could we ask for? Grabe, no? Sarap na ito. Kulit din sa feeling na masabihan ka ng bomba. Yan, kahit na malakas yung Primera niya, no, madali lang naman siyang gamayan eh. Kumbaga hindi siya yung sobrang overwhelming. Damn! So napaka-stable na tong bike na to. And yun, medyo aggressive nga lang. Although hindi siya kasing aggressive ng mga super sports na motor But since this is a naked sport, so kahit paano medyo mataas-taas pa yung naked handlebar niya. But still aggressive yung sa may bandang paa natin. Alright. Thank you so much, Benelli. Dali lang niya i-neutral, ayos. Try mo sir, ang sarap. Ayun, thank you so much again Benelli and Mukim Helmets Caloocan for giving me this opportunity to test ride their Benelli TNT 600i. Grabe, napaka-solid. Kahit 5'4 tayo, I guess ito yung mag-fit sa atin. Ayun, naked sport siya, medyo may pagka-aggressive, especially dun sa positioning ng paa natin. For long ride, I guess kaya. Medyo tolerable naman siya kasi hindi siya ganun ka-aggressive pagdating sa handlebar. And riding comfort, syempre this is a sport naked, so medyo may konting aggressiveness sa riding position natin. But yun, hindi naman siya ganun ka naka super sport na setup, so okay lang din naman. Yan. Yung sa size natin, mabigat yung bike, pero since medyo abot natin yung motor, okay lang din. I mean, very manageable yung weight niya. And yun, malapad yung upuan niya, maganda yung braking, okay din yung upuan ng angkas. And sa tunog niya, grabe, kahit naka-stock exhaust tayo dito, mararamdaman mo at maririnig mo yung sigaw na inline 4. Grabe. This is a screamer bike, kumbaga. Napaka-solid. Again, thank you so much, B-Boy Elam, to hear you guys watching Respeto Agulong. Always remember to be safe always and enjoy every ride. Bye for now, and I'll see you guys on the next one.